Alaikum, dear learners. Hope all of you fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to Alpha English Academy. আমার সামনে একজন শিক্ষার্থী রয়েছে যার ডাব্লিউএস কোয়েশ্চেনের পারফরম্যান্স আমরা এখন যাচাই করব। সে গত কয়েকদিন যাবত ডাব্লিউএস কোয়েশ্চেন শেখার চেষ্টা করেছে। তো চলুন শুরু করা যাক। What's your name?
My name is Mir Khadija.
Okay, good. So which class do you study?
I study in class 10.
Okay, great. So now I'm going to ask you some WS questions. Okay, so are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
So let's get started. First of all, please. Okay, he has a lots of money.
How much money does he have?
She looks like a rose.
How does she looks like?
Great. Okay, my country name is Bangladesh.
What is your country?
He is a doctor.
What is he?
My father is a farmer.
What is your father?
She studies in class 8.
Which class does he study?
I have been learning English since 2020-22.
How long have you been learning English?
Good. Dhaka is 80 kilometers from Comilla.
How long is Dhaka?